Hey everybody, my name is Marlon Murback, and today we're going to be going to play Portal. I'm going to explain that later until we finish the game. But yeah, the paper. Yeah. I actually have a homework because tomorrow I have school. I have school every time. And about that, you know that I played Portal with with Oh yeah, you remember one video I played Portal? Well, that was actually a USB edition because I couldn't even fix it again. So this time it's gonna be a real one this time, but it's really person. Okay, so let's get started. But first I need to get in Steam because we have Steam at Portal. Oh yeah, there's a second one and it's coming up like soon. The parts is gonna be. How many chapters was there? Was it like chapter 10 or like 15? I don't know. Leave a comment below that how many chapters is it. Whoever first comment that, who gets a heart. I kind of like hearts, so I just want it real bad. Okay. Yeah, I have so many items inside my Pinstar top. I forgot what them says. I forgot. Oh yeah. If I keep exiting out Portal a few times, then I might able to have to get back because I'm too lazy to figure out how to keep getting off. But anyways, let's just get over with it. I only have 15 minutes timer because I don't have any like enough. If I purchase something like up on the description, then I'm able to have a lot of time for this so I can make the whole thing. But no, this is actually going to be a part 1. So let's get over with it. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to wait for this. This green thing is keep ignoring me. Like, it's so annoying, I mean. If it's louder, then if you hear the background so loud, then just put the louder, I think. Wait, no, that will forget it. Man, I really want to know what's going on. I can't even see my screen thing because it might be a time. I'll forget it. Let's just like get over with this. I think this happens every time. I even remember this first chamber. There we go. Portal. If anybody not know what this is, then you might be interested why there's a box inside. Just figure it out. I'm not even gonna say it. But for now, I need to figure out how I keep doing this. How the hell do I keep getting this off? No. I have to get inside one of them so many times. I even forgot what time where I go. I'm gonna make a new game because I played this like a few times before. I may actually put the volume down because it was actually kind of loud before. Okay, so I don't know if I want to use my headphones because it might able to not talk with it. But I do know that it's actually kind of low, so let's go play. Mommy, guys, just ignore that. I don't want mommy to delete this video again, or else I have to. Mommy, I'm trying to record here. I'm recording.
You don't tell me you don't finish your homework.
Well, I'm doing it when I'm homework. Look, if you're talking and this was even uploaded to the YouTuber, do you even want your voice to
finish first?
But do you even want? Then why did you talk then? You said you didn't like to be in the video.
Yeah, finish your homework.
And now, look, it's 4:50 seconds.
Delete.
I can't delete it. I already made a part of my game. If I delete it, I have to start over again, and then people would remember. But then my other video, it was deleted. Even the dog part. Like, nobody ever watched the dog part.
Finish your homework first.
Fine.
Don't talk.
Why should I not talk? Am I talking right now?
Anna, shower now.
No. Sorry guys, but I can't even talk because my mom said so. She even doesn't like to be in YouTube. Wait a minute, I just have the perfect idea.
Again, welcome to the Apertures
I don't think my mom.
Science Computer Aided Enrichment
Okay, this is
Center.
my
We
mom.
hope your brief detention in the relaxation vault has been a pleasant one. Your specimen has been processed, and we are now ready to begin the test proper. Before we start, however, keep in mind that although fun and learning are the primary goals of all enrichment center activities, serious injuries may occur. For your own safety and the safety of others, please refrain from the portal will open in 3, 2,
Dang it.
1.
There was one guy that actually he actually went faster with going his back, and I don't know how. It's just so stupid. In the Portal 2, they actually update this. Wait a minute. Oh, I forgot. These are the colors because this is what a portal color looks like. I forgot. How did I not even see that coming? Oh, come on. I definitely have to get that. Ugh. Is this so stupid? Some guy actually got this. Like a speed run.
Excellent. Please proceed into the chamber lock after completing each test.
I just want to make it that perfectly good. I get it.
Particle field across the exit.
Blah 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 blah. I know.
Will vaporize any unauthorized
Exercise cube.
The Aperture Science weighted storage cube.
Wait, I just noticed something. Do you see something that cuts? Do you see that cuts? Like, that cuts the screen? Wait the heck a minute. I totally forgot about, like, Go Anime. This is actually what the real title looks like. Do you know what title they got? This game? Paul, it's been 10, 11, 12. It's been 12 years ago since this game was created. I even got this for no reason. And a few year ago, I think. Yeah, it's been 1 year since I got this computer, and I got this for playing it. I haven't got the other one too. I wish I could run. All I could do is jump.
The effects of prolonged exposure to the button are not part of this test.
I'm actually confused. If this cuts out from like a quarter, then bye-bye. But not really. Like, let me see how many minutes. You have got to be kidding me. It's 8. It's only 7 minutes until I stop recording this game. Of course, a Portagon. How do I not notice? It's sarcasm. What do you mean, get out? Oh yeah, I forgot. If you have a computer and you press escape, then go above it, and you press this, and that's how it happened. This. I actually forgot about that. Okay. Wait. Oh, dang, it's 9 minutes. I have to get this. It's just. Teeth? Teeth? What the heck is that mean about? Whoop! That's a close one. Hey, what the heck is this? Oh, it's a portal card. How do I stupid not notice? Yay! I I like blue because blues is for humans. I mean, I'm a better man. Yay! Okay, 5 more minutes. Five freaking minutes.
Do not look directly at the operational end of the
I have to
device.
cut it from
Do not
14.
submerge the device in liquid, even partially. Most in
Mostly
well
what?
done. Remember, the
I
amateur
already
science
did that. I
bring your
told
daughter
Laser
to
not
where
taking it. Sorry, I have to do this a lot of times because I think it might be like already
to have
50
her
minutes.
tested.
Mommy, don't please talk because they're going to hear you again. Sorry, people. I'm actually going to upload this video. Please. Wait. Okay, I think I have like enough time. It's going to be 1 minute, then it's going to be 4 more minutes.
Welcome to test chamber 4. You're doing quite well.
Wait. Oh, come on. Wait. Oh. Why did I not see that?
Once again, excellent work. As part of a required test protocol, we will not monitor the next test chamber.
Yeah.
Will be entirely on your own. Good luck.
Go look. If you people saw my late birthday video, then this is why 3 days ago, 4 days ago was my birthday. Yeah, I had to cut it out for 3 minutes, then I had to stop this. I won't able to get this done. Come on, make it in one shot. Yay! Make it in one shot. Another shot. Not for you, because I was so close. Oh, I definitely know what to do. Are you kidding me? Oh no, how many minutes have I left? Oh dang, 2 more minutes. I have to cut this before I save this game. I have to like figure it out. Wait, I'm not gonna do this, but I do know what to do. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Oh shoot, I forgot my homework. Sorry guys, but I have to pause this for a moment. Just give me a second. Just one word. Okay. Come on, you definitely need to do this. Do I need... Actually, I'm going to cut this one, so I'm actually going to save the game, so bye-bye.